Good morning, sir.
Yes, very good morning, Vaibhav. Very good morning to all my dear students. Let's start with the disclaimer. Okay, so now Lippy Oza, Dhruvi, Shreya, Sejal, Kushal, Vaibhav, Bansi, Nikita, Falgun, and Sara are going to give the presentation. Who is going to lead this group?
I'll start, sir.
Okay, it's you, Lippy. You are going to lead.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I hope you guys are ready with your presentation.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so over to you, Lippy. Don't forget to turn on your video. Don't forget to turn on your video.
Can we start, sir? Sir, can we start?
Yeah, you may start.
Good morning, everyone. We are here to present SWOT analysis of Nestle and PepsiCo. I'll start with Nestle's introduction. Next slide, please. Okay. So Nestle was founded in 1866 by Henry Nestle, and the industries it serves it beverage and food industries. Geographical area it serves in it worldwide, that is 189 country. Its headquarters are in Switzerland, and its current CEO is Paul Bulk. Its revenue is 88.785 billion, and there are total 3 lakh and 35,000 employees working on in this. Starting with SWOT analysis, first is strengths. Nestle is globally recognized brand. Through its effective advertising and branding strategies, it has created significant awareness and has developed successful brand image around the world. It has well-established relationship and popular brands. Nestle has some of the world's most recognized brand under its name. One of it is Maggie, and beside it, it has well established relationships with other trusted, powerful brands like Colgate, Palmolive, Coca Cola, General Mills, and L'Oreal. It has efficient R&D system that is world's largest food and nutrition research organization with 21 R&D departments, and there are more than 5,000 employees involved in same. It has extensive product portfolio. It owns more than 2,000 brands and has globally and has renovated over 8,000 products for nutrition and health considerations. Uh, Last but not the least, it has reputed brand name. It has developed a respected reputation in the food and beverage sector, offering high quality products for everyday use across the globe. Next is weakness, which will be discussed by Sejal.
Now, weakness is price fluctuation by retail giants. Any reduction or increase in price by these retailers
Sajal,
can
turn on your
offer
video. See, it is compulsory for everybody to turn on their video. Every time I am not going to repeat the same.
any reduction or increase in price by by these retailers can affect Nestle sales. Span of control and organizational structure. It is challenging to manage the large administration of individual brands can often result in discord and conflict of interest. Water controversy. Nestle was accused of illegally pumping millions of liters of water in 6 nations where residents are developed of drinking water. Social criticism. The claim of privatized water, misleading label, and lawsuit for chocolate making using child and slave labor can some of the example that have to weaken market reputation. Maggie noodles controversy. In 2017, Nestle failed to clear a laboratory test in India. This created a publicity hype as people boycott Nestle, leading to the loss of 80% of market share in the country. Now, the opportunities will be discussed by Sarah.
Sir, Sarah isn't there in the meeting, so I'll continue with her point.
Anyone
So,
is absent from your group?
yes, Nikita and Sarah are not there in the meeting.
Just a minute. Huh? Who is absent?
Nikita and Sarah.
Nikita and Sarah, both are absent. Just a minute. Do you know why they are absent?
About Nikita, I think she is busy in her personal stuff, but I asked Sarah today morning, she didn't reply.
Okay, done. Not an issue. I will talk to their parents. Yeah, rest you please continue.
Okay. So opportunities, it has ventured small food startups like Nestle's fantastic opportunity to grow the number of small food startups under its popular brand name and can also collaborate with new startups too to promote its brand name. Next is market penetration for breakfast cereals. Nestle cereals and oatmeals have shown fast growth in recent years. Thus, penetrating this market more would be highly lucrative for the company. Next is expanding ready-to-drink tea and coffee market. The demand for tea and coffee is continuously on rise, rendering a profitable opportunity for Nestle to groom in this market more. Partnerships, strategic alliance with other food and beverages giants are also great opportunity for company to increase its revenue and profits. And last is authentic labeling. There is an opportunity to improve its practices by giving trustworthy information and accurately labeling its products. Next are threats, which will be discussed by Shreya.
Okay. Threats, illegal rainforest destruction controversy. Nestle was alleged of involvement in the destruction of Sumatra's last trek of rainforest. It faced severe criticisms from NGOs and environmentalists in this regard. Water scarcity. Accessing the clean water through less costly sources has become difficult for the company due to many reasons. Rising competition. It is hard for Nestle to compete in such a situation where the substitute products are easily accessible. Government regulations and prices. The increasing prices of commodities force the company to increase the prices of its products. It will lead to sell reduction as consumer can switch to other brands which are available at low cost. Thank you.
Hello. Hello. Sir, my voice is audible. Hello.
Yeah, it's audible. Please continue.
Yes, sir. Well, today I'm going to represent about the PepsiCo company. So first of all, we start with the introduction. Sorry, sir, for disturbance. So first of all, we will start with the introduction. The founder of the PepsiCo company is Caleb Braham. It was founded in the year 1898. Afterwards, it was renamed as a PepsiCo in 1965. Its headquarters is located in New York. It constituents of more than 2,67,000 employees. Its ticker symbol is a PEP. It had an annual revenue of $67.16 billion in 2019. It has a net income of the $7.31 billion. So these are the board member of the PepsiCo company. So now we start the SWOT analysis of the Pepsi. First of all, strength. Best global brand. According to the Forbes 2019 ranking, PepsiCo is a ranked 29 most valuable brand with the brand value of $18.8 billion. The second is a strong global presence. PepsiCo has exploited the benefit of a strong global presence by marketing in a more than 200 plus countries. The next one is the direct store delivery. PepsiCo used to direct store delivery for its supply chain and distribution network. The other is the effective marketing strategy. PepsiCo understands the importance of the marketing. That's why it sponsored Super Bowl for 7 years and reaching 100 million audiences. Next is a customer loyalty. PepsiCo has extremely loyal customers based among the young generation. That's why Pepsi launched first ever cashback loyalty program, PepCoin, to reward their customer. So now our other teammate Falgun is present about the weakness. Hello.
So, yes, Vaibhav. Am I
Yes,
audible
sir.
to you guys?
Yes, sir.
So, you guys have done with your presentation?
Sir, now is a weakness.
Hell, competition. It has a heavy competition from the Coca-Cola to their soft drink. product preserved as unhealthy. Most of the soft drink product PepsiCo preserved as unhealthy. Failed production. Many failed production as such as a Crystal Pepsi which has hurts the brand image of the PepsiCo and thereby is giving a groom to the competitor grow. Brand ambassador. Wrong remark and ill performance by the famous celebrity turns might damage the brand image PepsiCo or its organization. So now we'll be continue the opportunities.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Now I will explain the opportunities, healthy options. Just now, the products which are prevailing in market, like Pepsi, Mountain Dew, Mirinda, are not an healthy options as it has a lot of percentage of sugar. So it can go into new sector like fresh juices, etc. Diversification. Just now, the product range which PepsiCo is having is already large, but to stay in the market and to earn a good profit, it needs to continuously increase the range of its product in different segments related to food only, but the segment should be different. R&D. Uh, as the financial capacity of PepsiCo is large, it can give a good sum in R&D and develop new product. The one example is producing 7 Up by sugar, by stevia instead of sugar, which can be a healthy option and a game changer in the market. Flavors, bringing new flavors like mango, for mango juice, etc., and increasing the CSR activities as the CSR series of PepsiCo is very low. Thank you.
Competitors. PepsiCo's main competitors are Coca-Cola, Kraft Food, and Nestle. Health factor. The unhealthy factors associated with its
Turn
products
on
can
the
take a toll on the health conscious
Dhruvi,
customers and might.
turn
Yes,
on the video.
Health factor, the unhealthy factors associated with its products can take a toll on the health conscious customers and might lose them. Economic slowdown, with the recent reforms in the country, PepsiCo might see a drop in its sales due to cash crunch in the economy. Government norms, different countries might prove difficult to handle and compliance with it as well.
So, conclusion, SWOT is a simple yet comprehensive way of accessing the positive and negative forces within and without our organization. So, we can be better prepared to act effectively. The more stakeholders we involve in preparing the SWOT, the more valuable our analysis will be. Whatever course of action will decided on, the full concerned SWOT analysis promotes you to move in a balanced way throughout our program. It reminds us to build on our strength, minimize your weakness, size opportunities, contract threats. A SWOT analysis will be most helpful in we use it to support the vision, mission, and objectives you have already defined. The SWOT will at least provide perspective and at best will reveal connections and areas for actions. Thank you.
Done, sir.
So, Lippy, that's all from you and your group? Vaibhav? Sorry,
Yes, sir.
yeah, VP and Vaibhav.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, done. So, first of all, I appreciate Vaibhav, your efforts, your presentation, your way of presentation is good. What I am
Thank you, sir.
expecting is not just to read the slides. Anyone can do
Yes,
it. If you just want to read the slides, even a small child can do it. But I want certain explanation on that slides, on that topic. So
yes, sir.
it's good that Weber has added their own explanation. Lippy has nicely organized. So overall good presentation it was. And clappings for those who presented in well manner. Good one.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Now coming to the next group. Uh, yeah, Chirag and group. This is the basic data information distribution in the world. Yeah. So Chirag and group, are you ready? Don't break with us. I will say the rules are always ready. Please raise your hand very fast.
Yes, sir. So
So who is
please
going to lead?
sir, please give us a 5 minute. Everyone is just arriving and joining the meeting, sir.
Okay, please make it fast. I'm waiting for you guys. And once you are ready, you please start your presentation without fail. Make it fast.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. दर्पण स्क्रीन शेयर कर दे। Sir, we are ready.
Yeah, you may start now. Rotate your phone. फोन को रोटेट कर दो बेटा.
Can I audible?
Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, very good morning. Please continue with your presentation. Don't forget to turn on your video.
Smith. Smith. Smith.
Yes,
Start कर.
the company name 3M. The SWOT matrix strategic objective. The primary purpose of SWOT matrix in identify the strategy that an organization can use to export external opportunities, counter threats, and builds on and protect 3M strategies and its weakness. The strategic of 3M internal strategic factors. Reliable suppliers, it has a strong base on strong base.
સ્મિત,
Yes,
તમે મોઢા ઉપર કોઈ પ્રકારના બ્યુટિફિકેશન કે એવું કઈ કરાવેલું છે બેટા?
ના.
તો વિડિયો ઓન કરો ને તો અમે લોકો જોઈએ તમારો ચહેરો.
Yes, sir. In strong of Republic supplier of raw material, thus enabling the company to overcome any supplier chain bottlenecks. Strong brand portfolio over the year 3M has invested in building a strong brand of extremely useful in the organization when to expand into new product categories. Automatic of activities brought consistency of quantity to 3M products and has enabled to company to scale up to scale down based on the demand condition in the market. 3M high level of customer satisfy and company which is decided customer relationship, the company to overcome any supply chain bottlenecks. Strong brand portfolio over the year of 3M has invested in building strong brand. Sorry, sir. High level of customer satisfies the company, which is decided customer relationship and management department as able to achieve a high level of customer satisfy among present customer and good brand quantity among the potential customer. Hire successfully at go to market strength for its product.
Yes, Singada, please. Yes, Singada, please tell weakness of 3M. Yes, can start. Yes, please start.
Am I audible? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yeah, you are audible. Please continue. Turn on your video and continue your presentation.
Video? Weakness of 3M internal strategic factors. Weakness are the areas where 3M can improve upon. Strategy is about making choice, and weakness weakness are the areas where a firm can improve using SWOT analysis and build on its competitive advantage and strategic position. Days inventory is high compared to the competitors, making the company raise more capital to invest in the channel. This can impact the long-term growth of 3M. Organization organization structure is only compatible with present business model, thus limiting expansion in adjacent product segments. Finance, Financial planning is not done properly and efficiently. The current asset ratio and liquid assets ratio suggests that the company can use the cash more efficiently than what is doing at present.
Please, Darsil Sanghvi, start. Darsil, you can start now. बोलता नहीं का लेक्चर जा opportunity of 3M. Stable free cash flow providing opportunity to invest in adjustment program segment. With more cash in bank, the company can invest in new technology as well as in new product segment. This should open a window of opportunity for 3M in over other product category. Lower inflation rate. The low inflation rate bring more stable market, enable credit at lower rate. Economy up and increase in customer spending after recession and slow growth rate in the industry is an opportunity for 3M to compare new customer and increase its new market. Last one is threat of threat 3M facing. Rising raw material can pose a threat to the 3M profitably. New technology developed by the competitor of market distributor could be a serious threat to the industry in medium to long term future. Of the high profitability products is seasonal in nature and any unlikely event during the peak sense may impact the profitability of the company in short to medium term. Rising pay level, especially movement such as $15 an hour and increasing price in the China can lead the serious present pressure of profitability of 3. Now, companies Netflix, please start Dixie the.
दर्पण स्क्रॉल डाउन करता चिराग स्टार्ट
Strong brand equity over the years, it has done that by offering a high level service to its customer, which has increased its popularity. Original content. In recent years, Netflix started creating its original shows and movies. Some of them became so popular that new subscribers started flocking to the platform. Some of these shows include Stranger Things, Narcos, and many more. This gives Netflix a competitive advantage over the platform because the content cannot be found elsewhere. Large customer base. In 2020, the global in 2020, the global subscriber base increased to 20 million, 200 million. No other platform currently enjoys the large customer base, which also gives Netflix a competitive advantage. Ad-free streaming. Netflix is able to provide an ad-free streaming experience to its user. The content that they watch is free from the intrusive advertisement. Unlike some platforms like Netflix, ad-free streaming makes it an attractive platform.
weakness of Netflix content copyrights. So in content copyrights, Netflix has copyrights of the content produced by its own. It does not have copyrights for the other production houses content. So Many types of many series or movies can also be found on other platforms, other similar platforms. Replicable business model. Due to no unique feature or any unique ability of Netflix, it can be easily replicable for other knowledgeable person to get in this type of business model. Requirement for internet. These platforms need subscription for to watch web series or to download it. So also to download the web series, it need internet access by a certain by this person. So it is a major weakness for the Netflix itself.
Darpan, what about others? Why proper synchronization is not there? You guys are taking too much time in the presentation. You are not maintaining the bridge. Still, how many left?
Sorry, sir. Only two
Sir,
left.
threats and
Anand,
expansion into newer markets. Netflix has huge presence worldwide. It is available in over 190 countries. In countries where the service was introduced more recently, however, most of population remains untapped. This is potential user group for Netflix, and if they can find a way to tap this market, they can increase their revenue. Evolution of product mix. As the world is becoming more and more globalized, the people want to see what is being watched in other countries while watching local content. International content could be offered to users to develop additional interest in platform. Multilingual content development. Netflix is working on bringing on more content in localized language. It can further work on local content and stories to the people of the countries it operates in. The variety of content could also be improved upon. Then Aryan will continue.
Threats of Netflix increase competition. Since its business model is easily imitable, Netflix faces huge competition from its competitors. Players like Amazon Prime, Video Disney, etc. are not only licensing other product producers' content like Netflix, but they are also producing their own content in-house to attract a dedicated audience. This is a big threat to Netflix as the fight is now for market share. Content piracy, particularly seen in emergency economies, which also from potential market for such services. Content piracy is still prevalent and big threat to companies like Netflix. Content is legally streamed on various websites by users who do not use Netflix. Censorship of content. Censorship on the internet is becoming a concern for many governments. So censorship of content on platforms like Netflix may not be far away. If this happens, content may have to be approved by censorship boards before being shown to the audience. Thank you, sir.
have anybody left?
No, sir.
What
Thank you.
about Darpan, Parag, and Chand?
सर मेरा तो हो गया है.
Parag and Chand.
Absent.
दोनों absent है.
Yes, sir.
Parag is absent and Chand is also absent.
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes, yes.
Okay. And Darshil Sanghvi has done.
Yes, sir.
Where is he, Darshil?
Darshil.
Darshil? Is he there?
Sir, it's lab.
He is present or not?
उसने सर लेक्चर तो ज्वाइन किया था पर अभी लेफ्ट हो गया है सर.
नहीं, उसने प्रेजेंट किया कि नहीं किया कुछ टॉपिक?
No, sir.
He can be considered as absent only, na? If he is not present anything.
Yes, sir.
Done, chalo. Darpan Kumar, clappings for you. And rest of the students, once college, like in the same group, in the group of Darpan, once college reopens, kindly meet me in person. I want to meet you guys once you
Okay, sir.
complete.
Thank you.
Yeah. So once college reopens, please meet me. Yeah. So we'll keep up to this only. That's it for the day. Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy your day. Take care. Thank you.